Wait a minute, motherfucker.
Stacking them grands is always in my plans. The food's looking dusty, let me take out the pans. One fiend said it's good, the other said it's bad. Trapping gives my siblings the life I never had. Everyone thinks they're bad till they get stabbed. I'm telling you, blood, you better switch up them facts. Stick to music, you don't go hard in the trap. And stick to shooting if you're on, banging off your mash. Listen, everyone knows that I'm switching flows. Ride out the no comment, stop snitching, bro. Let me switch the flow. I've been jumping on so many beats. Have you heard this before? Chicks say I'm a freak in the bed, but I'm only a freak when I'm beating my skeng. It's time to ride out, let me squeeze in the 10. I ain't trying to be in the hospital sleeping again. Zero tolerance, we're fucking up the crime rate. You think you're bad, come and step up to my face. Peng hottie, so I took her back to my place. You niggas ain't on my wave, you lot are lightweights. Niggas know what I'm on. Beef can get on top like a condom. I can keep your chick warm like a long john. Ask the Peng hottie what end you're from. Old school, if we had a problem, I used to take man's food, then I lodge them. Beef with me, fam, you have a couple options. You can get stabbed or shot, tick a box then. Trying to get my peas, fam, trying to get my cheddar up. So when I get that phone call, I'm slapping on my leather gloves. Just cause I'm a baller, I don't think that the tech will bust. 10 bags poorer, that's where your donny ended up.